Hey, Charlie, I got this thing singing. Yeah, with my VHS tapes underneath the frame legs and raise it up. It still ain't right. All the wires are hanging loose because I got to replace these new tubes when I come in a few days. That's way too low. I'm sitting on a stool, a wooden stool with a book and some packaged styrofoam, and I can only use headphones, and this is the only set of headphones I have in the house. But it's working. I'm gonna try to make a longer video instead of a short, where I'm gonna set my phone right there, and you can see me play a little bit, even though you won't be able to hear it. Then I might take the time and just try to stick these headphones around my phone on the floor or something, so you can see if you can hear it. Because I'm that crazy. But I'm happy. It's gonna work, and I can play. Yeah, I ain't terribly bad as I thought I was gonna be. Crushed fingers are coming along just from setting this thing up and dinky dowing around for 20